Good morning, fifth graders. We are working today on a pretty simple concept of multiplying by 10, 100, and 1,000. This is what we would think of as a shortcut method, and I love a shortcut, don't you? I like to be able to do something right, but do it quickly and efficiently. So when you multiply by powers of 10, which are 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, and so on, all you're doing is adding the number of zeros in that power of 10. So if we're multiplying by 10, we simply add a 0 to the number. So I've taken some problems directly from your book, letters A and B on section 1 and C actually. So we've got the number 18. If I multiply it by 10, I simply add 1, 0. So it's 180. That's all we do. Now you could come down here and you could say 18 times 10. And you would get that same answer. But why do that when you can know this process just simply means add a 0? If you're multiplying 18 times 100, you add 2 zeros, so it becomes 1,800. And if you are multiplying it by 1,000, you add 3 zeros, so it becomes 18,000. Pretty simple, right? Now let's take the next one, 273 from your book. Times 10 would be 2,730. If you multiply it by 100, it's 27,300 because it's 2 zeros. And by 1,000 would be 273,000. All right, let's take a look at letter C. 46 times 10, 460. Times 100, 4,600. Times 1,000, 46,000. Let's see if you can do the rest of them on your own. Now, in section 2, we have a decimal. Don't be thrown off by that. When you multiply by a decimal, you move it to the right, the number of places that there are zeros. So if I multiply 1 389 thousandths times 10, I'm going one spot to the right with my decimal, so it becomes 13 and 89 hundredths. Now remember, when you multiply a number, that number gets larger. 13 is larger than 1. So if you're getting a number that's smaller, that's not sensible. If I multiply this by 100, I go 1, 2, so it's 138 decimal 9. Do you see my number gradually getting larger? And if I multiply it by 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 1,389. That's the answer. Let's do one more. 2 and 764 thousandths times 10, we go one spot over, so it's 27.64. Times 100, 1, 2, 276.4. Times 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 2,764. And that's it. Now, from that point on, you've got a few more to do, but I think you'll be fine. You've got some division on section 5, but both problems terminate, so that's nice. A little bit of rounding to do. You got this. Let's get it done and have a great day.